Welcome to the channel today. Today we're moving Bob Kozelka's 1940 Willys X-Drag car over to my friend Smokey's. He said, bring that thing over this winter. He's got a little more room than I got. He's put some drag cars together. So we're going to set up a 392 Hemi block in the car over there, transmission mounts. We're going to put ladder bars in the rear end, get the mount in there for the ladder bar mounts. We got maybe even a cage over at his place. He says, bring it on over. So I got some boys here today at my house. We're going to get it out, unpack it, take some sheet metal off it, and then we're going to load it and go over to Smokey's, and you can come along with us. Trunk it off, there's 4 bolts each hinge, and then we're pretty much ready to load it. We got to unpack the trunk too. So, and that'd be cool, you know, hey, what are we taking out of there? What's this? You know what I mean? The VW seat your grandpa had. So, anyway, yeah. That's just kind of nutshell.
Is the front end and the hood, it's all staying here?
Yes. Yeah, the trunk that stays here too. Yep.
And just like moving any of our own projects.
Right, just shit everywhere and junk, and why do we do what we do? A lot of questioning.
How old are those tires?
They're very old.
Yeah, they're good.
Are you going to be on your best behavior today?
Damn right.
There's no guarantees on
That's
that.
the real question.
They let me out of the old people's home. They're not even
they're
not even really pissed off about that nurse deal, but it's a different deal.
Sorry. She used to run right there. There was magnets on this old sign. So yeah, Kyle here, come along today for the adventure. Kyle's the grandson of Bob, who owned the car, so he's letting us know, making sure we're doing everything right. And he brought this over today to be with the car, so we're excited about that. Thank you, sir. Yep. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Go sit in front of the Mustang if you want to, though.
I will.
Ooh, look at that. She's gonna fall in there, boys. That's gonna be real nice. That's real nice. That's real nice. We probably pulled that.
Slide. We should pull out there. Go.
When we bought her, she came with a bunch of extra body panels. We're doing it, boys. We're doing it.
No, I think it's a flying helmet. It's big enough to have a headset in it.
With these ear pads like that.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Seats come out.
Home valve cover.
Yep, seats come out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You were right, those seats were better in this.
Oh, yeah.
They got married in their early 20s.
2 this year. How'd you do with your emblems?
You over here falling asleep?
No, I just start panting.
I think it is, yeah. It's like you chopped the same sign up.
These bad boys right here, we pulled out of the shop, the Kidder garage. We got the car out of there, and we believe them to be Gene Kidder's valve covers off Mr. Tough. His little Model A truck he used to run all the time, and a lot of pictures with chrome valve covers. So we're thinking these are the ones, so we grabbed them with the rest of the Hemi stuff too. So, but anyway, these are treasured pieces right here. So a lot of Omaha race history. I think when Mr. Tough raced, before he moved on to the big cars, he had like 80 trophies or something with that thing, that Model A pickup truck, which resurfaced here recently, and hopefully going to come back out on the streets. Last month, down at the Gathering of the Rock, the wife and I celebrated our 10-year anniversary in the campgrounds, and I put this down for the air mattress. So I just let you know that got some of that dog in me. You know what I mean? I'm taking care of her. You know what I'm saying? Doing it right. That's anniversary cardboard right there, gentlemen.
Treat him right.
Got treat. Thank you, Josh. He's a history boys.
On the anniversary, Matt, man.
Right.
You guys sure this is okay?
I hope the wife ain't looking out the window right now.
Not a bike.
A bike with a motor in it.
Yeah.
But the Wizards were back in the 50s. That's a South Omaha tool right there. Vice grips.
That's
It's
awesome.
a pump plate is what it is.
So what?
Pump plate.
What does that mean?
Like Texaco Sky Chief pump plate.
Came right off the gas pump down there at 60th
Yeah.
and L Street. I think your idea of moving the truck trailer, Eric, was good.
So far.
It's the first time I've really noticed this antenna on here.
Yeah. Here's where you want it. Reminds me of my 10th year anniversary here.
Block?
Not yet. I thought I had it. Yep, try that. I don't know if it's working that well.
So, I don't know if I
I made it. Sorry. Let me know if you got one on there, Josh.
I'm just mimicking how you
We
do.
can go into the garage and wrap.
Just filming Eric looking awesome.
Doing it, buddy.
Is
Doing
that
it.
the big camera you got there?
Big camera.
A little big. I don't know what is that. A little big or what is
This
that?
is a big one.
But we have to snuggle harder.
Yeah, you gotta get 2 sheets of cardboard for those
That's
things.
right. Jeez.
Good thing we got.
Glad I did it, but
Good thing we got senior here.
Right.
Raw. Where you wanna go?
I won't be in the way here, will I?
Okay, hey, we're heading over to Smokey's, and one last thing we're gonna load up is this Hillborn injection hat. In the truck with the car because he's gonna set the mounts up. We're gonna do that over at his place. So when we have to cal clearance, we're gonna have to have this on there. The plan is eventually is maybe to buy an injection plate here for fuel injection that goes between here and the blower. So we're loading this up and we're heading that way. Let's get going.
See? I boosted those.
Side.